Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanna unboxing. Wait a minute. First, today I will unboxing Bling. So I will wait a minute. I'll open from here. Okay. So this is the Bling. So we got this and we got this. So if we open this first, you got this. So this is the name of Bling. So here you go. Ow! So if you open this, you got stickers inside here, and then you can put in here like that. So you can do like that. Close it. So in it, you will get the stickers. So you can choose the stickers that you want, and then put it back into the boxes. Oh my gosh! So this is very nice. I love it. If weekend or holiday, always use this. So I always press it first. Okay guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends. Bye!